Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Makeover Monday, and that means the project that we created this past Monday, we remake into something different. So this past Monday, we made this really cute gift box, and you can see it has a present tag on the outside. So I made the present tag into a card. This is the card here, and you can see that I changed the text. It says Merry Christmas on the outside. On the inside, it also says, and Happy New Year. Really cute, it's super simple. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer, you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on Sign In. When you see your name at the very top, this verifies that you were logged in. On this page, you want to scroll down until you get to Cricut Access. And then click on View All. In the search box in the upper right-hand corner, type in the word Present, and then click on Enter. And the project we are remaking is this one here. It is called the Present Tag and Gift Box. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Click on Customize. The only thing we're using here, we're going to be creating a card, is the present piece. So here's the box lid. We can remove that one, this half of the box, and this half as well. Take your left mouse button across the entire present, right click on that and choose Group. You want to resize this, so have this piece selected. Top toolbar where the size is, I'm leaving the lock locked, changing only the height and making this be 5.5. Click on Enter. I'm going to right click on my card or my present, ungroup, move my bow out of the way and also my text. I'm going to right click on this piece and choose Duplicate. That's going to be for the front of the card. Now to create a shaped card or a welded card, I need to remove this part of the bow. Left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on Shapes, click on the square. I'm going to bring my square over, lining up the bottom of the square here with the top of the piece here. I'm going to unlock the lock and kind of move it over a little bit and down. So I think that looks pretty good. Take your mouse across both pieces, right click on that and choose Slice. Bring this piece down, and then we can remove those pieces there. Now this piece, I'm going to right click on that one and choose Duplicate, and I want 3 of these. I'm going to set one aside. Now these two pieces, we're going to weld these together to make a shaped card. So I'm going to bring one piece at the bottom, one at the top. The top piece I'm going to flip over, so have this piece selected. Top toolbar, I'm going to click on Flip and then choose Flip Vertical, so it's going the other direction. Take your mouse across both pieces. Top toolbar, you want to click on Align and choose Center Horizontally. This way they're going to line up. Click on the bottom piece with your mouse and then use the arrows on your keyboard to move it up just until it overlaps a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. Take your mouse across both of those pieces. You want to right click on that and choose Weld. Now we have our card base. Left hand side toolbar again, you want to click on Shapes, click on the score line. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to hold down Shift on my keyboard and then click on the circle to rotate it. You'll see here on the card base there's a point and a point there. I'm going to line this up with that point. Move it over a little bit. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. Take your mouse across both pieces again and right click on that and choose Attach. That puts a score mark on that piece for us. Alright, now we have this piece here is going to be for the inside. So I'm going to click on my card base and change the color. Last time I did a red card base, I think this time I will do, or I did a green one, this time I'll do red. Actually, I'm going to make it be green and change my bow to be red. Alright, this piece I'll leave white, but I want to resize it so it fits on the inside of that card. So I have this piece selected. Again, the top toolbar where the size is, leave the lock locked, changing only the height, and make this be 3.5, and then click on Enter. I'm going to right click on that and choose Move to Front so I can make sure it fits inside there. And it does. Alright, so now we can move that aside. Grab this piece, bring the bow piece back over. If you need to, right click on it and choose Move to Front. Get that lined up. I'm going to double click on the text and change this and make it say Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm going to bring this over on the front of the card. Again, if you need to, right click on that and choose Move to Front. You can resize it a little bit if you need to and get it where you want it. I'm going to right click on the text and choose duplicate. Move that out of my way. Move the bow. Take your left mouse button across the card base and the text. Right click on that and choose attach. That's going to use the marker tool to draw our greeting on there for us. I also want to put a greeting on the inside piece. So I'm going to bring this over here. Again, double click on my text and change that. And I'm going to say, and a Happy New Year. I'm going to bring this over and lining it up with the bottom of my card to resize it. All right, when you're happy with the way that looks, take your mouse across both pieces, right click on that again and choose attach. So now we have our card base that's welded with our score mark, the front of the card that has the greeting on it, the inside that also has a greeting, and our bow. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. You'll need a white piece for the front of the card and the inside, a small piece here for the actual card base, then a red piece for the bow. I'm going to click on Continue, cut all these out with the table, and put our card together. Hey guys, we are back with everything cut out. We're going to take our card base and go ahead and finger press on the score mark. Take our bone folder and give that a good crease. So now we have our card base here. Let's take the top piece. We're going to glue that on to this piece here. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get this from maymaymadeit.com. Alright, we're going to line this up with that piece there. Okay, I'm going to open it up on the inside and grab our inside piece. You might think the card looks small, and it does. That's because the bow is larger. The bow kind of sticks out a little bit. But you'll see here, if you put it next to a card that is normal size, it does fit. Now let's take our bow. Now if you want to, you can of course add Christmas paper to this piece. I think on this one I'm going to pop up the bow. I didn't do it on my first one. Make sure this is going the right direction. Alright, I'm going to flip it over, and I just have these little foam tape here. I'm going to cut just a few pieces. I mean, you can make this be a glittered piece that would look really pretty. And I mentioned before, if you find something in Design Space that you like I do, like this card, the present card, even though it's Christmas now, you can always save it and change it and make it be for a birthday. I mean, just change the text. So if you like it, go ahead and save that so you know where it is the next time you need it. Alright, so our last one, right here in the middle. I'm going to give both of them a squish, take the backing off. I mean, how fun would this be for a little one to receive? I wouldn't mind receiving it. With a gift card in the center, I'd be set. Alright, I'm having issues taking the backing off of this piece, and I gave it a squish and everything, and it's not working. Alright, there we go. It was kind of being finicky. Okay, let's put this on the top. I kind of do like it popped up, just for that little bit of something. So there's that one here, and this one here. You can see it's just the opposite, red and green here, and then red and green there, and they correspond with our little boxes. So how fun would that be to give as a gift to somebody, right? Really cute set. Alright guys, there you have it, our Makeover Monday project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.